Trending YouTube ideas in 2023. 1. Sustainability and eco-friendly living. Videos that focus on eco-friendly lifestyles, sustainable fashion, zero-waste living, and DIY upcycling projects could continue to gain traction as environmental consciousness grows. 2. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Explore the latest developments in VR and AR technology, review virtual experiences, or provide tutorials on creating VR, AR content. 3. Health and wellness. Content related to mental health, holistic wellness, fitness routines, healthy recipes, and self-care practices are likely to remain popular. 4. Tech reviews and unboxings. Keep viewers updated on the newest gadgets, tech trends, and conduct thorough reviews or unboxing videos of the latest products. 5. Gaming and esports. Cover the latest video game releases, walkthroughs, gameplay highlights, and analysis of esports tournaments and trends. 6. Personal finance and investing. Share tips on budgeting, investing, cryptocurrency insights, and financial planning to help viewers make informed decisions. 7. Travel, post-pandemic. With travel rebounding after the pandemic, travel vlogs, destination guides, and travel tips could see a resurgence in popularity. 8. Home renovation and interior design. Showcase home renovation projects, interior design ideas, DIY home decor, and organization hacks. 9. Virtual events and conferences. As virtual events and conferences continue to be relevant, you could create content related to attending, organizing, or getting the most out of virtual events. 10. Innovative art and creativity. Showcase unique art forms, creative projects, and innovative DIY crafts that inspire and entertain. 11. Personal development and skill building. Offer tutorials and guides on learning new skills, career development, productivity hacks, and personal growth. 12. Diverse perspectives and social issues. Share insights, stories, and discussions on important social issues, diversity, equity, and inclusion. 13. Book and movie reviews. Discuss the latest books, movies, TV shows, and provide thoughtful reviews and recommendations. 14. Parenting and family content. Create content that supports parents, including parenting tips, family activities, and educational resources. 15. Food and cooking trends. Explore unique cooking techniques, trending ingredients, and cultural culinary experiences. Remember to stay authentic, engage with your audience, and adapt your content based on the feedback you receive. It's also a good idea to stay up to date with the latest trends by following social media, industry news, and relevant influencers in your niche.